In this video I'll show you how to get Higgsfield Plus free for 3 days. Here you can see, and zero cost. Here you can see total due today $0, and this is a completely official offer. You will get 100% free by official method, so please watch this video complete.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
When you visit Higgsfield official pricing page, here you can see there is no any free trial, so there is a another trick. Simply visit higgsfield.ai website and click on the sign up button. You can use for login or sign up Google, Apple ID and Microsoft. I will use this Google. Continue with Google. Choose one Gmail account if you had logged in multiple Gmail account. Click on this continue. Here you can see how often plan do you use to Higgsfield. Simply select anything. This is optional, not a important step to get free trial. Simply select anything and click on this continue. Select anything, select random, continue. Simply ignore this. We don't want to 58% off offer. We want completely free trial for 3 days. Here you can see we had successfully logged in our account, and this is the completely free account. Then click on this MCP and CLI, and here you can see for this you can use your Cloud, ChatGPT, Cursor, OpenClaw or Hermes also. So for this video I use, if you want to connect with your Cloud, then simply select this Cloud and MCP. Here you can see the process. Copy the Higgsfield URL, simply copy this, and here you can see authentication. So for this video I use this ChatGPT. Simply select ChatGPT, and here you can see turn on developer mode. Simply click on the first step, click on this ChatGPT setting. Let's click on this. I had already ChatGPT on this Chrome profile, so direct open this. Here you can see URL. Now click on this advanced setting. Simply turn both on, and here you can see create app button is available. If you turn off, here you can see create app button is not enabled. Now after turn on this developer mode, click on this create app. Now let's go to this. Here you can see create the Higgsfield app. Name the app. Here you can see we need to put this name Higgsfield. Now for the connection, here you can see this is the URL for the connection. For connection, simply paste the URL and click on this I understand and want to continue. Then click on this continue. Create. This is the simple process. Here you can see creating our app on ChatGPT. Here you can see add Higgsfield to ChatGPT. Then click on this sign in with Higgsfield. Now we need to allow this, and here you can see 3 days free plus trial. Click on this get 3 days free trial. Now here you can see this is the Stripe page, and this is the completely official. For the Cloud, or also you can do in a terminal also. Here you can see, sorry, in a CLI also you can do it. Here you can see install and plug in your agent. Install this and sign in. For the Cursor, you can also select Cursor or OpenClaw or also, but I used ChatGPT. You can also use Cloud Code. Here you can see copy the Higgsfield URL, click the URL, click the copy button. For next, you will need to next step, simply click on this and open this Higgsfield authentication. So by this way you will get 3 days free trial of Higgsfield, and you can enjoy Seedance, you can see Seedance 2.0 fast full access. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.